Good morning, student. This is your revision. Good morning, student. Today we will complete our remaining activities. Chapter number 1. I am on page number 7. Here, 1.6 step is here. Which oceans will you be crossing if you travel from South America to Africa? Look at figure 5 to answer the question. Okay. Where I am? Here. Which ocean will you be crossing if you travel from South America to Africa? Okay, so Atlantic Ocean. Then name the continent and oceans on Earth. Write down the continent and oceans also here. Okay, list the differences between a landmass and a water body based on given pointers. Pointers what? Pointers is made up of colors as seen from space, and third example. So we are here landmass and here water bodies. So differences in between landmass and water bodies. So in first, soil, stone and sand. In first, soil, stone and sand. Here water. Then green and brown. Here blue. Mountains, plains, hills here. Oceans, rivers, lakes, etc. here. Got it? Now in first, soil, stone, land, and water and water body side. And in second, green and brown, then blue. Mountains and plains, hills, etc. Oceans, rivers, lakes, etc. Got it, everyone? Now these are the differences in between landmass and water bodies. Okay, student. Now then, after that we are on page number 8. Now PEP is here. Number the images in the order of their size in ascending order. Now PEP is here 1.8. Number the images in the order of their size in ascending order. Ascending, you know na ascending? Ascending means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the ascending. Done? Okay. So, first, second, third and fourth. Got it, everyone? First, second, third and this is fourth. Clear to all? Now this exercise will come in your first test. Okay? This exercise, student, come in your first test. Done, everyone? Now again 1.8 PEP is this. Number the images in the order of their size in ascending order. साइज के अकॉर्डिंग हमें इन्हें अरेंज करना है. असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में लगाना है, बट असेंडिंग मीन्स 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 यानी बढ़ता हुआ क्रम. इट इज असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. नाउ देन फर्स्ट, second, this is third and the fourth. Done, everyone? Very good. After that, move on page number 10. Now, here, write two differences between a map and a globe. Two differences बताने हैं map and globe के बीच में. So, map, it is a flat representation of Earth. Map is flat representation of Earth. Second, we can be viewed only from one side. we can be viewed only from one side. Now globe is a model of the earth. And second, we can be turned around the view all side. Clear? In map, it is flat representation of earth. Now in second, we can be viewed only from one side. In globe, first globe is a model of the earth, and then we can be turned around the view all side. Okay students, now after that, observe what you see in the four directions around you. Write it here. Observe what you see in the four direction around you. Done this activity done in the class. After that, move on page number 11. Okay, this one. Follow the given instruction and trace the path in the maze. Locate where Rita wants to go. क्लियर? फॉलो द गिवन इंस्ट्रक्शन, कुछ इंस्ट्रक्शन है, ट्रेस करना है रास्ता बताने में, वेयर रीता वांट्स टू गो, जहाँ रीता जाना चाहती है वहाँ पे उसको ट्रेस करके बताना है. वॉक नॉर्थ फ्रॉम वेयर रीता स्टैंड, जहाँ रीता स्टैंड है वहाँ से वो नॉर्थ में जाती है. सो इट इज़ नॉर्थ. Turn west and walk till the end of the road. Turn west, west की तरफ टर्न करना है till the last road. Okay. At the end of the road, walk south. Walk south. At the end of road, head east. अब इसकी तरफ जाना है. At the end of the road, रोड के एंड में ईस्ट तक हमें जाना है. This is east. So Rita where does Rita wants to go? She wants to go in library. Where does Rita wants to go? She is going to library. Rita wants to go in library. Got it everyone? Nice. Then page number 12. Activities here. Read the map and answer the question with the help of the compass rose. Compass rose की help से हमें इसे complete करना है. Can you spot India in the given image? Mark it. First of all students, we write it here. North, west, east and south. Can you spot India in the given image? Yes, we know where is India. India is this. Now why do you think the Indian Ocean is called so? Indian Ocean क्यों कहा जाता है? It is called the Indian Ocean because it lies to the south of India. क्योंकि Indian Ocean कहाँ है? इंडिया के साउथ में है, इसलिए उसे इंडियन ओशन कहा जाता है. नाउ थर्ड, विच ओशन इज टू द वेस्ट ऑफ नॉर्थ अमेरिका? पैसिफिक ओशन इन द वेस्ट ऑफ अमेरिका. नाउ फोर्थ, which continent is to the east of Europe? Asia. Now then fifth, which ocean is between North America and Europe? Which ocean is between North America and Europe? Atlantic. And sixth, which continent is to the south of North America? South America. Which continent is to the south of North America? North America के साउथ में कौन सा कॉन्टिनेंट है? साउथ अमेरिका. So student, in first, can you spot India in the given image? Yes, we can. This is. Then second, why do you think the Indian Ocean is called so? It is called the Indian Ocean because it lies to the south of India. क्योंकि ये इंडिया के साउथ में है, that's why we call it Indian Ocean. Which ocean is to the, then third, which ocean is to the west of North America? Pacific Ocean. Then fourth, which continent is to the east of Europe? Asia. And fifth, which ocean is between North America and Europe? Atlantic. Which continent is to the south of North America? South America. Got it, everyone? Then after, we are on page number 13. Here, continent, oceans and directions. Clear to all? 7 continents name and oceans name, then directions name. Clear? First we will write here continents name. Asia is already here. Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia. Got it? This answer is on page number 7. Asia, Africa, North America. Asia is already here. Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Got it, everyone? These are the continents. After that, oceans. Pacific is already here. Atlantic, Arctic, Indian Ocean and Southern Ocean. Clear to all? Now Arctic, Atlantic, Southern Ocean, Indian Ocean and Pacific also there. 4 direction: north, south, east and west. North is already here. South, east and west. So again, south, east and west. Clear to all? Okay, now choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. First question is, earth is in the shape of, earth की shape, sphere in the shape. Okay. Now India is located in the continent of, India कौन से continent में located है? Asia. So first, earth is in the shape of sphere. India is located in the continent of Asia. Okay. Move on, page number 15. The coldest continent is Antarctica. It is coldest. Largest continent is Asia. Largest ocean is Pacific. It is a flat representation of Earth on paper map. Clear? The coldest continent is Antarctica. The largest continent is Asia. The largest ocean is Pacific Ocean, and it is a flat representation of Earth on paper is map. Then after, match the following. Atlantic Ocean, saltiest ocean in the world. Arctic Ocean, covered with ice. Indian Ocean, Indian Ocean is warmest ocean in the world. Pacific Ocean, largest ocean. Southern Ocean joins with Atlantic, Indian and Pacific Ocean. Again student, Atlantic Ocean matched to saltiest ocean in the world. Arctic Ocean matched to covered with ice. Third, Indian Ocean matched warmest ocean in the world. Fourth, Pacific Ocean, largest ocean. And fifth, Southern Ocean joined with Atlantic, Indian and Pacific Ocean. Clear to all? After that, answer the following question briefly. What is a continent? What is a map? What is unique about Australia? What is the equator? What is a peninsula? शॉर्ट आंसर क्वेश्चंस हैं बेटा, आप लर्न करें, एग्जाम में आएंगे. क्लियर टू ऑल? थैंक यू सो मच स्टूडेंट टू लिसनिंग मी. अगेन बेस्ट ऑफ लक फॉर योर टेस्ट. ओके, थैंक यू बेटा, थैंक यू सो मच.